Does intermittent fasting work without exercise? Yes. What's up, everybody? I'm James, the Fasting Dad. Today we're going to talk about intermittent fasting, no exercise, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm on day 9 of my fast, and I haven't been doing any exercise at all, and I've still lost 11 pounds. Would I have lost more weight had I been exercising also? Maybe. But then people also say, maybe you shouldn't exercise. Maybe you shouldn't do something new that you're not normally doing. If I was already an exercise person, I probably would be exercising right now. If I wasn't used to exercise like I am, I'm not exercising. I don't want to introduce too many variables into this and then not know what's working, what isn't working. Plus, with my schedule, it's hard to find time to be exercising, to be honest. What about you? Do you have time to exercise? Let me know in the comments down below. So my 20/4 routine right now is going pretty well. I have been getting pretty hungry waiting for that first to break fast, but besides that, it's been doing pretty well. I broke fast today with a meal bar, a protein bar really. I was able to last for another hour and a half after that, and then I had 2 slices of pizza, Meat Lovers pizza, so I was trying to pack on the protein, although I know I probably shouldn't be eating pizza, but still, it was a lot less than I normally would be eating. And then for dinner tonight, it's chicken satay with a lettuce wrap. And that's it for today, everybody. Pretty quick one. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember, leave your comments down in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow.